Hey, it's Mark here, dynamitestocks.com. We're going to look at a few things tonight. First, we're going to look at my newest position, which is MEMP. MEMP is just in a great bear flag right now. It's coming off of it. You can see on the longer chart that it's down. And when it goes down, it runs consistently day after day. And it usually doesn't really fake out and whipsaw. Like here, it broke down off that flag and just kept going down. Here, the same thing. This flag broke right here, just goes down, keeps running. It didn't even have a positive day off of that flag. Same thing here. I mean, this, you could call this a flag, is down. It almost tried there, but not really. So here we are again, and it just came off of this one, and I shorted it at 595. So I shorted the breakdown or the new low on the day because it made a fresh low and went red on the day, so I shorted that. And I expect it to follow through a lot. So my profit taking area, I have a stop loss at exactly 625. I have a hard stop placed. So if it goes against me and it goes above the high of yesterday or well today, it would be, the high would be like 419. So just to get a little bit of cushion, I put it at 422. And it's a pretty good trade because the risk reward, you can see the low, the very low would be about 464, 465. So I think 5 is a good profit taking area. So I'm looking to take profits on the way down as it goes down. But my final area of profit taking will probably be around 5. You'll see how it acts around 5, but it could go into the high 4s. So I'll probably, if it runs tomorrow or the next day, I'll take off probably at least half the position, and then see what happens here to take off the last. And I'm still long a third of my position of KTOS. I just want to see what it was gonna do here. I thought it was gonna actually bottom out, and well, that's not what I want to do. Well, I thought it was gonna bottom out here and bottom out this hammer. So I was gonna hopefully watch it go higher, but since I already took most of my profit on that, I'm down a little bit on the remaining, so I'm gonna cut this loss if it goes any lower. If it goes down even below this. I think I actually did place a stop loss at 411. So if it hits 411, I'm gonna be out of the rest of it because I already sold most of it for a gain. And it was a good trade. I'm up on that trade overall. So I'm just scaling out like I've been doing really well lately. And Lee, I basically nailed the top, and remember that Lee, I nailed that one. That one, because I bought it here at 202, and I sold along the way. And the last day I sold was on this day, and one of these days right here is when I sold my remaining shares that I had, and you can see it kind of topped out. Well, actually, it had a pretty good day today. It recovered. That's interesting, but I felt really good about the profit taking I did on that one. I made sure to take the profits on the run up there because it went up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days in a row. Well, actually 6 days in a row because it went up there too, but came down. So that's that one. So I'm only short MEMP. Tuesday. This is a retail stock. It's it's not a very good retail company actually. I mean, you can see the chart here. This is down all year, and they actually closed one of their retail stores in my city they were in this shopping center and their lease got canceled, or they're just closing up there. So my hunch is it's going on around the country too. They're just closing stores probably. So that's not going to be good. And you can see there was no, this looked like it was trying to bottom right here, but there's no volume on these up days. Nobody, like, there's more volume here. Like, see here it traded 3,000,004 on that day. It was up. I mean, here it was just not even about half a million. So this is still in total bear crash mode, in my opinion. And I was waiting to see what happened here on this, off this right here, and it looks like it's going to go a lot lower. I mean, it could even move like that again. So I think it's going to test these lows, 5. So I'm gonna short this one if there's shares in any of my brokers. So this is one of my top short watches right now. So I'm looking to short that one if it goes like 592, which would be a new low from the other day. So those are the two shorts I was looking at. Well, and also, IMGN is now short based on the chart. It's a biotech, and it's just had a hard time with this triangle right here. It's a flag. It looks a lot like the biotech index itself, but it's a little clearer. You can see it just consolidated, and it's breaking low. It's breaking off of that down. I was thinking it was going to go up just based on it's down a lot, and the triangle was pretty clean. It was actually kind of a bullish looking triangle, but since it's decided to go down, it's most likely going to continue, and it's a good short. And it also, when I was picking these, I was looking at the chart in the past and see how when it breaks down, it just keeps going straight down, day after day. So that's good to be in when it's a short. So it's a very momentum stock. Like here, it has a lot of momentum when it crashes. Not so much when it's up. Well, here it was momentum, but this could be down to 8. I mean, so I'm looking to short that. I haven't decided if I'm gonna short that and the biotech index, because the biotech ETF, this is the ETF IBB that comprises all the biotech stocks. So it's like the S&P 500 of large cap stocks. It's sort of the same flag here. And I was watching this. I want to see which way this is going to go. But here it faked out. I mean, but that wasn't really. It wasn't done consolidating. But I think it's done now. And I think it's going to go a lot lower. And you can see when biotech crashes, it really does crash. So, and it's just a bad print. I mean, it's kind of a shooting star right there. See, these hammers were really these hammers were bullish. But I mean, it'll probably. I mean, it probably gap down. Hopefully, it doesn't gap down too much, because I want to short this. I want to short it. I might even do a put on that. I don't know. I might do sort of a super undersized put, and then just short the other one regular size, like I have been. This IMGN. Because this looks really good too. So, the market's been up a lot, and you think there'd be a lot of good long setups, but I just don't see it. I haven't seen them in my scans. I've been going through my scans, and it's all energy stocks and biotech. And Tuesday morning was interesting because it was a retail, so that's why I like that one. VRX was a Citron Citron article short. Citron's that short biased article company that they put out articles that typically cause a bear raid and low volume names. And this one, I mean, looks like a good short too. And there's just so many short opportunities out there. I'm just trying to pick the best ones. This one's not that great. Uh, so we looked at IBB, and IBB. I mean, this looks like it's going a lot lower. It's a very clean flag right here. I mean, it's like this flag right here, but just shorter. See, so and the momentum has been I mean, this chart's broke. This isn't a bear market. I mean, this is a bear chart. This chart's broken in the near term. I mean, looking at it over 10 years might be good, but I mean, this uptrend from is put in is broken. So I'm gonna short that one and this one, if not just one of them. So and a gold's actually, it looks bullish because it looks like it wants to break above this, but I mean, in the same time, it's kind of overbought, but I'm probably not gonna mess with it. And the overall market it looks overbought, and this red line's the top of this trading range, you could say, and it's just it's still up there. I think it could. I think it very well could. It's probably just come back down. I mean, it's kind of, and that's a shooting star like this one right here. And after that, after it printed a shooting star last time, we just crashed. I mean, it just came down. So if I had to bet on it, I would say we're going lower the next couple weeks, the next week at least, back down to the support. But it's kind of holding up here pretty. It's kind of holding up around this resistance, which is kind of bullish because it's kind of comfortable. It's comfortable up there. So I'm not. This is not a trade for me. And Tesla, I was looking at that short. I never pulled the trigger on it. Like I was looking at it up here, actually, which would have been a pretty cool short, but you know, you can't get them all. So probably tomorrow I'll be taking off the rest of KTOS most likely, and still hold my MEP short, and looking to put on a short on Tuesday. Tuesday morning's the company. TUES is the stock, and is biotech's short. So there's a lot of cool stuff out there, and it's been waiting for it for a while. It's kind of, everything's been consolidating. So hopefully the fireworks will be tomorrow, and or the rest of the week for sure. And oil's they printed like a shooting star up here, and then this it's probably gonna come down more than what it looks like, but I'm not gonna trade it. But those are the ones I want to talk about right now, and I'll probably do scans later, and maybe I'll find something. We'll see. But right now I've got enough. Trades going on, so I'm pretty happy with that. This is Mark signing off. DynamiteStocks.com.